Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Rothstein, a composer and music instructor based here in Los Angeles. And I'm very excited to announce the start of two brand new online courses that I've created that are currently available. And unlike the other courses I've taught in the past, these two courses are all pre-recorded video lessons where you watch the video tutorials at your own rate. And there are dozens of videos for the courses. And they come with an extensive course reader that I personally put together that has my own harmonic analysis, explanations, score study, and worksheets that you work through also at your own rate. And in addition to the video lessons and the course reader, you also get live webinar sessions on Zoom where you can come meet with me and get support. Ask any questions that you have on the material. Think of the webinar sessions as office hours. So the first course that I'm offering is Chromatic Harmony of the Romantic Composers. And this course is very difficult to find a la carte. Usually it's part of a music theory course series at a university that's the sequence. So I offer this because there was such a demand from my students for it. We look at great music by Beethoven, Schumann, Chopin, Brahms, Tchaikovsky, Wagner. We even dip into the 20th century and look at music by Ravel, Gershwin, Bernstein, John Williams, and more. We even look at a score by Hans Zimmer. And the music of the Chromatic period is just so emotionally powerful and charged. And if you're looking to understand that music or expand your compositional technique, this is the course for you. We look at such topics as chromatic non-chord tones, modal borrowing, dominant ninth chords, Neapolitan sixth chords, augmented sixth chords. And these are topics that are taught in typical chromatic harmony courses, but I really try to break these down. There's not a lot of reading. They're basic examples of what they are. You know, I go from point A to point B very quickly. Just here's what you need to know, and here's where it lives in the music. We look at continuing secondary augmented sixth chords, modulatory sequencing, chromatic sliding chords, chromatic modulation, mediant modulation, chromatic planing, embellishing chords. So there's a lot there in that course that hopefully you'll find very useful. And the music is just incredible. So the second course I'm offering is a crash course in ear training. And in this course, I teach my own methodology. You're not going to find this in any other book or in any other school. This is my own method that I taught myself to get better at ear training. And a lot of ear training courses, you're tested a lot. They rely on just testing. But in my course, I teach you how to be both the student and the teacher at the same time. You really learn how to teach yourself the ear training. And so we cover such topics as interval recognition, solfege mastery. I have a very unique way of dealing with intervals and solfege, chord recognition, chord inversions, meter, rhythmic dictation. I have my own shorthand method, and sight singing. And one of my favorite is called Be Your Own Mozart. They say Mozart could write music like you write a letter, and I teach you to do that very same thing. So how do you get started? Here's how it works. You register and you will have access to all the pre-recorded video tutorials, and you simply work through them at your own rate. You will also have, as I mentioned, access to weekly live webinar sessions that are the office hours there on Sundays. For more information, you're going to visit my website. And once you register, you have 6 months access to all the material and access to me for the webinars. So 6 months access to the entire course. It's a lot. And if you're interested in both courses, you can bundle them together and receive a discount. All the pricing information is available on my website. And if you're interested in these courses, what you want to do is visit my website at www.steverothsteinmusic.com and go ahead and email me any questions you have, or if you're interested in registering, just send me an email and let me know that as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you and working with you soon. Bye-bye.